babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I style my curtain bangs. Right into it. This is my hair, freshly slept on, and I air dried it yesterday. It's still quite frizzy. I'm kind of transitioning into the curly girl method as of late. So if you guys have any tips for 2B, 2C curls, please comment them down below. Curtain bangs kind of have a really long history, but they were popularized in the 60s, and they kind of went with this new wave of feminine beauty that wasn't so perfect. It definitely gave a more tousled look. Now we're seeing a resurgence of the curtain bang. They're definitely taking on a more modern twist, a little bit more straight and longer. I only want to get my bangs wet. That's the only part of my hair that I'm styling. Sometimes I take like little face framing side pieces because I want to give them some shape as well. Is I'm gonna get my bangs wet, my comb, and just brush it through them a little bit. If you don't want to kind of get super high maintenance into styling them, what you could do is just part your bangs wherever you want to part them. Take some clips. I know that there's like some fancy clips that don't give like that kind of bend in the hair. These claw clips that you can find at like the drugstore. And what I do is I kind of just pin my bangs into the shape that I want them to like fall. So sometimes I'll just walk around the house, do some like dishes or something, and let them air dry like this. And it works really well for my hair. It definitely gives me the shape that I want, but it doesn't give me the volume. So when I really want to focus on volume, I'm gonna get my damp hair and my hair dryer, paddle brush. You can use any brush. This is not anything special, just a drugstore hairbrush. So let's do this. You're going to blow dry your hair, brushing it from one side and then starting to brush it on the other direction, pointing the hair dryer downwards, like doing a little like X motion. And then once you feel like it's dry enough, I kind of just finesse with my bangs a little bit, kind of push them around until they land kind of where I want them to and where they land naturally. Definite curved shape when I blow dry them like this. The pads of my fingers, not my nails, and I'll just kind of tussle in up here to create a little bit more volume. Okay, perfect. So now I just literally just pull my hair down, kind of shake everything out a little bit, and this is kind of what my hair ends up looking like after that. It's a little bit frizzy, it's a little bit tousled, it's a little bit beachy. It's definitely the like low maintenance hair. Sometimes I will like curl my hair, sometimes I will straighten it, but now that I'm like trying to stay away from heat to my hair, I mainly only use the heat on my bangs. Help with the frizz, I'm gonna kind of dampen my hair a little bit, like some leave-in conditioner, a little bit of it, and mix it with some water, do like a little praying hands thing, and then just scrunch it into my hair. I gotta like flip my hair down for this. What I love about these bangs are just like how non-committal they are and just how easy they are to style, how easy they are to wear with any kind of face shape that you have, any kind of hair texture that you have. I don't know what kind of hair this is. You guys can tell me better in the comments. I really don't know. Okay, babes, so that's it for this video. Very short, very sweet. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I style my curtain bangs. Maybe next time I cut them, I will show you guys how I trim them at home. If you guys are interested in seeing that, please comment that down below and give it a thumbs up because it does really help and support my channel. Follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel if you are not already. And yeah, that's it for this video. I love you guys so much. Ciao. Mwah.